Hey there, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Welcome to day 1790 of what you up to now. Documenting the journey as I originally transitioned from the brick and mortar corporate world of business to the online world of business. And if you've watched any one of the 1,789 previous videos, I don't need to do the whole spiel that I do usually. I try not to do it every day because it gets boring for me. But just where I've been, what I've done, it's been a lot. I'm in my 6th decade here on the planet, so I've had a lot of experiences, some good, some bad, some really, really ugly, just like everybody else. If you live long enough, I think you're going to have some kind of drama and trauma in your life. You're going to have experiences you wish you hadn't, but as I look back on those experiences, those are the ones where I personally grew and learned the most from. Now, would I want to repeat them? No. That's why I learned the lesson from them, so I do not have to repeat them. So today, 2 pieces of content for our BU 365-day challenge to do one thing every day that improves us. We talked about, I'm doing 2 questions every day, and both of these were really interesting because I know little to nothing about either one. The first one was, do you believe in the 5th dimension or 5th dimensional beings? I didn't even know what that was, so I Googled it, of course. And then I also looked at ChatGPT, which gave me a artificial intelligence summary of all the stuff we would find based on the programming that the human beings that programmed this artificial intelligence could find, right? I've been playing with it for about a little over a week now, where I ask it questions and I'm using it to try to create my content because I'm seeing how valuable a tool it is. And, you know, I was positioned as the Google killer, and I do a lot of my research on Google for my content and my experiences in books and everything else. But like everybody else, I go to Google and I say, well, what's a summary of the meaning of this? For example, I share an idiom every day in Supersize Your Business. What's this idiom? What does it mean? Where did it come from? And then I have to decide and interpret for myself, how could I use this to grow and build and supersize my business? Because that's the perspective I share it with in my entrepreneurial business owner group, is how could you use this information? How could you use what this means in growing and building your business? So today's was to be from out of this world, or no, to be from another planet. Similar idioms are out of this world, not from around here, a whole new level, to take something to a whole new level, things like that. And it's one of those idioms where you do the research and you cannot really find the absolute origin of it because it's been around for so long. This has been around for centuries. People have compared anything that's different or new or seems like it's revolutionary or a big change, they call it, and they maybe accuse us of being from another planet. I will admit, I have been accused of being from another planet, marching to the beat of my own drum. Marching the beat of my own drum since I was a little girl. So I'm cool with that because I think the most important thing that we can do while we're here on this planet is be ourselves and experience this life as only we uniquely can. So I shared 4 different ways and how it's a benefit and a strength, and actually sometimes it's the secret sauce and the secret to massive success, what being different does for you and what helps you stand out from the crowd. It helps you to be innovative and creative in your solutions for the people that you're here to serve. It helps you to differentiate. It helps you to identify and create the brand that you want, and then create customer loyalty and brand loyalty by being different, being unique, solving a group of people's problems better than anyone else can. So that was our idiom for today, from another planet. Not out of this world, but I've been told I've been out of this world sometimes too. Anyway, that's it. Getting ready for the holidays, getting ready for some things around the house, getting home. I have not unpacked my suitcases yet. I hate to admit that, but it is so, so true. Obviously, I haven't changed my background yet. I think I'm going to go and search out and maybe actually purchase a background. I kind of don't want to because that's so like everybody else. And you know me, I don't want to be like everybody else. So I may or may not do that. But I might look today and see what's available while I'm doing ordinary weekend things and planning and plotting and getting ready. Next year's challenge. One of my people that I've been involved with in challenges before gave me a really good idea, and I just have to think through, how do I make that an annual challenge? I know I got enough content. I know I can create enough content. I know I can figure it out. It's just, how do I want to do that moving forward? Because I think it's an awesome idea. Alrighty, have an awesome day. And if I can help you anyway, ask. Otherwise, be with you tomorrow.